These are KOOTU folding bike pedals. Folds down, folds up. They are made out of aluminum and they fold up like that. So if you want your bike to be a little bit narrower, if you're traveling and trying to fit it in the back of a car, that's why you would want folding pedals. And they're made of aluminum. They fold up real nice like this, like that. There's a link in the description if you want some. They're around 30 bucks a set.
Compared to my old pedals, they are 2 1/4 inches narrower. So times 2 pedals, that's 4 1/2 inches of more clearance you have if you have folding pedals on your bike.
So my super light plastic pedals that I've been running are 160 grams. And for comparison, these folding pedals are 205 grams. So you're adding a little bit of weight. They're well constructed, they feel sturdy, and the mechanism is you just pull the trigger and flip it up, and then you flip it back down like that. Makes a satisfying snap when it goes into place. Reflectors on the sides. This is the foot grabbers, so there's pegs to grab your feet. Pretty standard pedal experience.
And out here on the streets, these folding bike pedals feel just like regular bike pedals when you're pedaling your regular bike.
And as a public service for anybody who's never installed pedals before, you can see the threads are opposite directions on each side of the bike. So on the right side of the bike, you turn it clockwise to tighten it, but on the left side, you turn it clockwise to loosen it. Also, you want the L on the left side, the R on the right side.
And my personal reason for wanting to do this is to get my full-size folding bike to fit in the back of the Prius without folding the seats down and squeeze it underneath the cargo cover so no one will even know it's down there. I like to go to sporting events sometimes and park 3 miles away and ride my bike in. So this is the perfect way to get in, to bug out with a bike, and then you'll know nobody's going to try to steal your bike out of the back of your car because they won't know it's in there because it's hidden. This also works for the trunk of a car. When I had a Ford Focus, I did the same thing, and I needed the pedal clearance to be able to squeeze the bike in the trunk of that car as well.